Hello boys, once again welcome back to your maths online class. Now we have learned our tables of 4 and 5 and we have done dodging also. And I know that you all have learned your tables very well. So now boys, today ma'am is going to teach you yes or no. Alright? So pay attention and be attentive and listen to what ma'am is telling you. Okay? And for this you should learn your tables well. If you know your table well, then you will be able to do your yes and no well also. Okay, let's begin. First we'll write the date. Then in the first line we'll write write yes or no. Okay. Now you all have learned your tables well, isn't it? So now the first one is five fours are. So what is 5 fours are? 5 fours are 20. Alright. Now we have to write whether this answer is right or wrong. So we'll write yes or no. So your answer is yes or no. Is it correct or wrong? Yes. 5 fours are 20. Now the next one. 4 fours are 19. Is this correct or wrong? Yes, it is wrong. So what are we going to write? We'll write no, because the correct answer is 4 fours are 16. Five eights are 40. Is this right or wrong? It is right. Okay. So we'll write over here yes. And we'll underline this with a blue pencil. So 5 fours are 20 is yes. This is the correct answer. So we write yes. 4 fours are 19. 19 is the wrong answer. So we write no. 5 eights are 40 is the right answer. So we write yes. Now 4 sevens are 30. Is this the right answer? No. This is not the right answer. So we'll write over here no. So what is the right answer? 4 sevens are 28. Though this is wrong answer, so we have written over here no. Now we'll underline this with a blue pencil. Okay boys? Now threes are 12. Is this the right answer? No, this is not the right answer. What is 5 threes are? 5 threes are 15. So when the answer is wrong, what will you write over here? No. Alright. So whenever the answer is wrong, we write no. And when the answer is correct, we write yes. Okay. Four six are. So what is the answer? 4 6 are 24. Is this the right answer, boys? Yes, this is the right answer. So we'll write over here yes. And we will underline with a blue pencil. Alright. Can you all see this very neatly? Ma'am is doing the work very neatly. And I want that you should also do the work very neatly. Now, five fives are 22. Is this the right answer? No. What is 5 fives are? 5 fives are 25. So this answer is wrong. So we will write over here no. And we underline with a blue color pencil. Now, four threes are 10. So is this the right answer? 10? Boys? No, this is not the right answer. So how will you know what is the right answer? You will start saying your tables. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12. So you know that this is not 12, this is 10. So this is the wrong answer. So we'll write over here no. Alright boys. So you know how to do yes and no? Okay. Now. Five, 6 are 30. So is this the right answer? Yes. 5, 6 are 30. And how you can check? You can check by saying your tables. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30. So we write over here yes. And we will underline this with a blue pencil. Okay. Now. Okay, now 4 nines are 36. So is this the correct answer? Yes, this is the correct answer. So we will write over here yes. And we will underline this with a blue color pencil. After that we leave a line and draw the finishing line. Now boys, if you know your tables well, you will be able to do this work fast. Okay boys, so ma'am has taught you this yes and no. Now you are going to do this work neatly in your copies. But to do this exercise, you should know your tables very well. So ma'am has sent the audio also to you all. So learn the tables. Every day put on that audio on your mama's or daddy's mobile and you repeat after ma'am. How ma'am has taught you, you repeat after ma'am. How you learned your 2 and 3 times table, the same way you have to learn your 4 and 5 timetable. You should be thorough with your tables because you should, whenever ma'am asks you from in between, like 4 threes are, so you should be able to say 12. 5 6 are, so you should be able to say the answer. 5 is 30. Okay. So if you know your tables well, you can do the dodging tables very well. So learn your tables well and do the work neatly like ma'am has done. Okay? Write the date, write class work, write yes or no, and then leave a line and keep writing. A lot of you boys, when you have done your dodging tables, you all are not leaving lines in between over here. You are not leaving a line in between. And the pictures are, some pictures are coming very blurred. Ma'am cannot see your work at all. So please, once after you click the picture, check in your mobile if it is clear. And when it is clear, then only you send the picture. Okay? And after you do your work, always revise your work. See, when you revise your work, you'll get into the habit of seeing whether it is right or wrong. Whether you've written, sometimes we, in our mind, we say the right answer, but we write the wrong thing. So after finishing your work, always revise your work. Alright students? Now do your work very neatly. Do this exercise very neatly. Okay? Alright. Okay, thank you boys.